Finmeccanica covers the full range of skills and technologies, from electronics to software, with many capable engineers in almost every field that you can think of.
The arrangement with the National Employers Service started out in about 2006, whereby Finmeccanica got together the companies with apprenticeships programs, and we started talking about actually having a joined up approach to apprenticeship development across the sites within Finmeccanica in the UK.
The National Employer Service have helped us shape our programs through identifying in a really clear way what best practice looks like, and we've obviously then worked with them closely to develop that in terms of our own programs. With our National Employers Service account manager very regularly actually, and he's been incredibly helpful in terms of helping us to understand what's happening within the NES, but also he shows a real interest in our businesses and understanding what we do and what we need moving forward. So that kind of support is really invaluable because you also have that kind of one point of contact. The NES provides us a good opportunity to meet other large employers. We can share our views, we can share their views, we can look at what best practice is, and we continually evolve on that basis.
We had the Ofsted inspection within the first full year of having the programme, and they were really helpful in terms of making sure that we were prepared for something that was completely unknown for us.
The NES have been quite realistic in understanding that our different businesses have different requirements and different histories, and they've helped us actually to develop a common standard across those businesses, which has been really good.
So the NES have been really helpful in terms of making sure that we've got the infrastructure surrounding what was already a really good programme, making sure that the apprentices have the best experience possible.
The value of apprenticeships to our business is that it enables us to continue to refresh and develop and grow our views, our innovation, our enthusiasm.
The value of apprenticeship really lies in making sure that we've got the right people in the right place at the right time in order to be able to effectively resource our business moving forwards.
We take school leavers and we turn them into really highly skilled, highly qualified, highly capable engineers. It's absolutely possible to work through from apprenticeship right to the top of the organisation, and we have people walking around our sites today who have gone through precisely that route.
My manager was an apprentice. He came in, he was actually in this shop, then he became a supervisor, team leader, then now he's gone on to the gear shop manager.
I think the value of doing an apprenticeship for the individual is that it gives them a skill level and it gives them a recognised qualification that's very valued within the UK industry.
I thought an apprenticeship was handy because also you get paid as well, and it's more hands-on, and I also found it interesting because it's something that I actually wanted to do.
Yeah, you can definitely reach the same level of qualification as an apprentice. Personally, I've had the opportunity to do an NC and a HNC, which is the equivalent to a foundation degree, and once you finish you have opportunities to study further.
I personally believe that they are, for me especially, are the best thing that I've done.
The NES has really helped us to develop high quality standards. They've identified what best practice looks like, and we've then built that into our specific plans around our apprentice training, and we've been able to do that consistently across our businesses. So that's really been very important to us in terms of delivering quality training.